Proposal of a method to transfer emotional meaning through abstract visualizations. Text-based communication is incredibly poor at accurately and precisely conveying the intended emotional state. However, physicians regularly use text to convey emotional states for text-based telehealth consultations and recording emotional information in patient histories. Given that most of this information transfer exists in the digital space, there is scope for a new, more complex form of emotional notation, a new type of language designed specifically for emotional transfer. This study proposes an algorithmic prototype for a novel form of emotional transfer that uses affective abstract visualizations as the communication medium. Abstract visuals are very powerful at effectively and efficiently conveying multi-dimensional datasets as users can comprehend multiple visual parameters simultaneously. This algorithm was designed so that emotional inputs could be reliably converted into affective visual outputs. As with most effective computing models, the emotional space was constructed around the dimensional model of emotion, allowing for emotional inputs to be numerical. The visual space is built using Unity VXF graph, which allows complex particle-based visualizations to be rendered in real time using the GPU. Dimensional emotion parameters can be inputted, and the model will output 57 visual parameters that determine the appearance of the visual. The main purpose of this experiment was to determine whether people had a more universal agreement when ranking the dimensional properties of abstract visualizations compared to emotive words. A study gathered participants' dimensional perceptions of the visuals and compared them to a 2012 study that did the same for emotive words. Analysis of the data revealed that there was significantly greater agreement amongst participants when evaluating the emotion being transferred by the abstract visuals compared to the emotive words. Future work will explore visual augmentation of text and the possibilities for physicians to use this new means of communication to record emotions in patient histories quickly and easily.